BMG Parking Inc., the antidote to conventional parking. It's the end of the day, no parking. Trucks that help drive the economy have to have adequate and safe parking. With no parking available, trucks are forced to park illegally. Most drivers can't afford tickets, and it goes against their driving record, potentially suspending them from the company overall, costing them money or lost wages. It is our mission to resolve this ongoing issue of lack of parking for commercial vehicles. Our solution is the mobile parking app, which displays all available public parking options in the United States. The app also will list the available parking structures that are owned by us. This solution will bring peace of mind and relieve stress for our users, knowing that one of the biggest hurdles of their day has been conquered. Available truck parking. How we go from no truck parking to truck parking. BMG Parking mobile app gives 100% of control to the user from virtually any location they are in the country. This app is filled with all the current parking information available and is updated daily. The app enables users to find adequate parking for their vehicle's profile. The app will allow for monthly membership holders to find one of the various BMG parking structures throughout the country and seek their parking spot no matter what time of the day. The app will connect users with the 24/7 customer service center that we offer in case of an emergency or an issue. This will allow for any issues to be resolved no matter the time of the day, and that any potential issues are resolved promptly for our users is the key in our mission. The mobile BMG Parking app has a cost of 99 cents to each user. The intended costs are as followed. The 99-cent app fee will give access to any detailed information about a public parking area, including the amount of parking that is still available. The $4 fee for a commercial vehicle with no trailer is what's charged for parking. There's a $7 fee for a commercial vehicle with a trailer, and then there is the option for the $150 monthly membership fee for parking at any of our parking areas for any of the following vehicles: a tractor-trailer combo, or even an RV or a motorhome. A few of the options that we offer in getting the app into the hands of our users. We offer a website where users can purchase the app directly and download to their smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Also, users can call in to purchase the app, and the app is then sent to the user via the email that he or she provided. The option we find most beneficial for the user and the business is the option to purchase on the mobile app store. There are hundreds of millions of mobile app users, and we are targeting only a small number of potential users. It is imperative to launch this app on the App Store, which will help promote success of the app and the business on a very large scale. So there's some competition in the business. There are a few competitors that are solving parking issues for users, but not focusing on the commercial side, rather focusing on inner city parking for non-commercial vehicles. BMG Parking is set apart from the competition because we are the only company looking to help Class 8 vehicles with these parking issues. Other companies don't have their own parking facilities and only give locations of other facilities that charge premiums. Also, the competition does not offer 24/7 customer service, and we strive to sustain a long-term, productive relationship with our users. The management team that we have consists of myself with 6 years of experience in operating a small business and a 4-year bachelor's degree in business administration. John Smith is our chief financial officer. John has 10 years experience in financial accounting and leadership skills, and has a bachelor in finance and is a certified public accountant. Samantha John's a customer service manager who holds a bachelor's degree in communication. Jane Doe is a marketing director who holds a bachelor's in business administration. Financial projections, sales would have to reach 276,117 apps at a 99-cent per app fee in the first year. That equates to $273,355 in sales. There are approximately 3.5 million truck drivers on the road, and we project to target 50% of those drivers as users. Out of those users, we project to isolate and obtain a modest 6.33% of drivers in the first year. We will have to aim high, promote well, in order to boost sales and earn a profit as soon as possible. BMG Parking Inc. is in the startup stage, but ready to launch the app. As we breach the point of our launch phase, we anticipate having already completed all the necessary research and development. This should give us the upper hand in the market and hopefully have a success in gaining popularity with the intended target market. We plan to start building parking structures of our own within the next 1 to 2 years, so we can produce the membership option for our users. In order for this to happen, we will have to either be profitable sooner or seek investors. It is key to the success of the business to expand into that side of the market. That being said, we are seeking an additional $250,000 of funding to reach this goal. The second phase to the business, likely to be the bigger revenue producer. We believe in this concept and we do strive to do whatever necessary to see it through. Thank you.